Hello friends, hi, welcome back. What a day it is. As we expected, if the market breaks our support region, it will go to our bottom levels of the one which we drawn like 16,000 levels. So it exactly touched 16,000 and it bounced back like anything. So let's see where are we right now. This is a Nifty weekly candle. So as a Nifty weekly candle, we can see there is a rejection, a bit good 200 points of rejection as it touched 16,000 and it went up till 16,000. 167, so 16,169, like around 167 points. So there is a good upward move after good support. So let's see what the expiry says and where we stand right now. So this is a weekly, so let's convert to day candle. So yeah, what day candle suggests to us, what we expected if the market ranges in this. Okay, let me open. We have already drawn the figures, I guess, right? No. Okay. So what we said, if the market breaks this, because it's kind of form the inner inside candle. So if the market breaks either of that side, the market can show some direction towards that particular side. So as we expected, the market broke this and it showed some particular direction, like around like more than 150 points. So if you see the 5 minutes candle, so what our 5-minute candle says, see the market opened like almost like bit of a gap up. It took with a just a second, yeah, it's flat to negative opening, and then the market consolidated a bit. It went up. No, yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah, today's 11th May, the market opened gap up and then it started to fall. So see this. So we had the levels of this. So once what we discussed, once it break this, we can directly go for PE buy or else call sell for the, if you want to hold, or else futures PE buy, future sell. So the our stop loss would be this, as the market consolidated here and it gave a breakdown. So generally the stop loss will be here. So if you could have taken position here with the stop loss of this, and say there was a good momentum, even here at 16,1076 was a good thing to catch. If you didn't catch here, so even if you have taken position here, the stop loss still didn't hit here. So it went up a bit, so it should take a resistance here, then only we can say that it is a good negative price action. So it took the resistance here, it didn't break this and it came down. So there is a good like around 150 points that you could have captured easily if you have seen yesterday's video. So after this there is some good bullish momentum. Say this, after this red candle there is a good 3 good green candles. This is a kind of hammer pattern in a bottom, which is a kind of reversal, and then there is a good volume candle. So if you see the 15 minutes candle here, see this. So this is like a bullish engulfing and a kind of a hammer for a single candlestick pattern. So after that it reversed. So even if you have taken PE sell here or call buy with the stop loss of this, you could have gained somewhat very good, because that is a reverse, as it is a reversal with a good volumes, and it is almost at a good support, which is like a rounding support like 16,000. So that's it guys for Nifty today. See, there is a good momentum. So tomorrow what we can expect, so as we know, if the market shows the gap up, just a second, we'll draw some lines. Yeah, so this is the recent high and this is the today's low. Okay, what we should do for tomorrow, if the trade, if it is gap up and once it takes the resistance somewhere in the like 15 minutes candle, something kind of like this. So yeah, this is a 15 minutes candle, right? See, yeah, some kind of this pattern, or if it consolidated a bit somewhere here, or you can keep the stop loss of a bit of here and then you can directly go for CSL, or else you can wait for a good confirmation like something like this, some good amount of red candle here, you can go for CSL with the stop loss of this. Okay, so if it opens gap up, you should wait till the market takes a rejection. Once it takes a rejection, you can go for call selling, and once it comes down, once it takes a support of somewhere, you can go for PE selling. Okay, so once if the market opens flat or something like that, so generally the trend should continue if it opens flat. So the market tries to go up. So if the market is flat open and it's try to move upwards, generally this line, whatever this line is before 16150 below PEs will be the good selling points. And if it is open flat, yeah, the market generally will try to follow this trend before 30 minutes or 1 hour trend. So it will generally try to follow that. Once it follows, you can see you can go for PE selling, and once it takes the rejection, you can go for CE selling. So you can keep the stop loss of 16,000, or else if you take the 16,000, you can keep 16,000. If you take the 16,150, you can PE sell. You can keep the stop loss as the day low after 5 minutes candle. Okay, let's assume that if the market opens gap down. So if the market if it open gaps down, let's wait for the price action. Once the price action starts here, if it takes 16,000 support again, and if it moves up, you can go for 16,000 PE sell. Else, once if you sell 16,000 PE, and then once it starts moving up, and you can go for call selling, depends on the direction. Else you can go in only one direction. Otherwise, if the market is trending, you should go in only in one direction. If the market is not trending, if the market is volatile a bit, you should go two ways, so that you could get profit from both the ends. So this is Nifty for you. So let's see Bank Nifty how it is. So yeah, so guys, this is what we have drawn. Good support at levels half of the channel, and good greenish candle, and we also expected the market should test this level, but yeah, it tried the same resistance again, but it took the resistance at the same point. Yeah, right. So right now the market formed a doji with a good downward rejection, which means the market will try to move up. As we discussed, HDFC and HDFC Bank are so strong that it can move the Bank Nifty up and also can make the Nifty up. So we can say it should test 35,000 level tomorrow maybe. Once it takes the resistance of 35,000, you can go for 35,000 CESL. Okay, similar to the Nifty, Bank Nifty also, if it opens gap up, you will wait for the rejection to happen. If it opens gap down, you will wait the support to takes place, and if it opens flat, or if it start going in one direction, you can go for keeping day low or day high as stop loss, and you go for the other side PE selling. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty. How the Bank Nifty moved today: open gap up, went down, little bit up, and again it fallen, but not as much as Nifty. But yeah, it took a good support and it opened it almost at day high. So which is a very good sign. Tomorrow the Bank Nifty can move up. So I am expecting Nifty to expire between somewhere 16,300 350 levels, like this level. If it closes here, then Friday there would be a good chance that it can break the 480 levels with the recent resistance. Else the market will go in a consolidation mode for a bit. Okay, so let's see the option chain. What our option chain suggests? Option chain suggests 16,000 is a very good support. 53.3 lakh contracts, even though there is some 2 lakh contracts have been deletions have been took place. 16,100 is a decent support. If depends on tomorrow's global sentiment, the 16,100 and 200 put additions can take place, because today it took a support, but when you see the option chain at the end of the day, there is no great kind of support. There is just a support like dominating compared to call sellers. So here breaking 16,300, breaking 16,400 would be like impossible. Breaking 16,300 300 will be easy. Once it opened at 16,200 plus, all the call unwinding will takes place around 16,200, and the market can push till 16,300 and plus. So till then the put writers will come. So slowly the short covering can takes place. It will push till 16,350, mostly 16,400 I am expecting. So 16,300 to 400 could be our expiry for the Nifty. This is our open interest. How it changed: call additions and put deletion. So we can expect bearish kind of thing. PCR is 0.5, and as we say, there is a huge towering resistances after 16,300. So if it opens 16,200 and plus, so I expect the market would close between 16,300 and 400. If it opens gap down, the market can move till like 16,000 should be a good support. If it breaks, I think there will be like a huge panic selling that will be coming, that you can see tomorrow. So what is our FII DI data suggest? I think, okay, I thought it was yesterday same number. Okay, it was not yet updated, but yeah, it's fine for us. So this is our expiry analysis. I hope you liked it. And guys, I think you're not subscribing to the channel. More than 60% of the viewers who are watching my video are not subscribed to my channel. Kindly subscribe and please motivate me for further videos. Thank you.